Installing the Clyde shower cabin. First of all, it is very important that the designated space where the shower tray is placed is completely levelled. After installing the shower tray, the next step is to assemble the cabin frame. Mark the mounting points for the rail profiles. It is very important that they are completely vertical. Mark the mounting holes. For proper insulation, it is important to run the back of the rail profiles with sealer or adhesive before attaching them to the wall. Secure the rail profile. The fixed glass walls are slid into the rail profiles, and then the glass wall is secured using the chrome support brackets. The small fixed glass wall will hold the shower cabin's door. By mounting the bridging frame, we secure the two fixed glass walls. Install the concealed hinges on the small fixed glass wall. Insert the shower door. We install the two sill parts and the sill at the bottom. Install the magnetic rubber strips and watertight plastic slats. Install the handles. We can adjust the shower enclosure by loosening the brackets, and then we can fix them again after the adjustment. Put on the end caps. Finally, make the necessary sealing with silicone.